Conjoint, for multiple factors considered jointly, is a technique whereby simple sets of two or three options at a time are presented to the research sample, who are then asked to choose between the choices. It's very much like kitty flashcards. Which one is the giraffe? Good. Except no pressure, no judging. A research participant is urged to go with what they like. No explaining required, and there are no wrong answers. Each idea presented involves three or four traits or attributes. For example, let's say I work for a snack maker and have several possible raisin line extension ideas and need to find more information about what my prospective target thinks of each option. Flavor: vanilla, cinnamon, hazelnut. Pack formats: a 40-gram pack, a 50-gram resealable pack, or two 25-gram mini packs. Retail price: $1.29, $1.49, $1.69, $1.99. That's 3 by 3 by 4 equals 36 total options. Concept testing 36 different options would be too vast to execute and might not produce directly comparable results. So I prepare conjoint cards and ask you, would you prefer vanilla flavored raisins in a 50-gram resealable pack at $1.49 or cinnamon flavored raisins in a set of two 25-gram mini packs at $1.69? Then I might present hazelnut flavored raisins in a 40-gram resealable pack at $1.49 versus cinnamon flavored raisins in a 50-gram resealable pack at $1.99, etc., 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 two at a time. I might test 10 sets of pairs. That means I won't be showing you all 36 options, but that's okay. Conjoint uses the math models to infer how you would rate each and every option. Conjoint also works well if we're trying to uncover how much emphasis consumers really put on brand status or prestige. Or when consumers are choosing between combination or bundled offers. A movie theater chain might ask, which is preferable? Would you prefer a medium soda, medium buttered popcorn, and 50-gram candy bar for $24.99, or a large soda, small buttered popcorn, and two 50-gram candy bars for $29.99? If I present another set of choices and get your preference, I start to be able to infer which of the components of the offerings are most appealing and least appealing to you. The resulting importance and utility ratings are the math-rich output that we get from Conjoint. I may only test 10 or 12 sets of choices with a sample, but the model will fill in how that sample will rate a large number of possible combinations. Then we can decide which bundled options to offer that sample at that theater chain. Conjoint can incorporate a set of images or just the text description. But the main cautions I would offer you are, think apples and apples. Keep all the descriptions the same length, all the images the same size and resolution. Keep the units of measure consistent, dollars and euros, grams and ounces, across the choices. Number 2, apply non-commercial language. Avoid being sell-y. Avoid flattering adjectives or words that bias a consumer one way or another. So present the options in a factual, straight-up way. Number 3, think beforehand about the different specific sample groups you need input from. My experience is that every conjoint study deserves more than one sample. We often find valuable meaning in how one group rates brands and attributes and choices differently than another group. So conjoint analysis does use computer math models, but don't be intimidated. This is not an intimidating model to use or to access. In fact, commonly available platforms such as SurveyMonkey offer conjoint analysis, calling it forced choice analysis. If you need conjoint, go ahead, get the study going. The facts about how a consumer is thinking about options and the traits behind them might be well worth learning.